Okay, here we are again. Pardon my camera holding. I've got to kind of do a two-person job alone here. I want to show the calibration of the fixture. As I had a problem in the last video where I was using the table to look at it, and we can't use the table because the table's distorted. We need something flat so we can at least know what is happening in the parts we're fabricating here. So I brought out a flat surface plate, and I'm using that. It's a little cramped, but it should suffice for what we're doing here. Remember, this is metal fabrication. This isn't JPL stuff. So I set this up, and here I'm going to change views. Let's go over here. Okay, with an indicator on this table here. So I'm going to push down. Here we're going to zero that with some slight pressure on this. This is going to mimic it being clamped down to the table. So any sort of stuff that's in there will come out. You can see it moves slightly when we do that. So we're about zeroed out over here. Now I'm going to go to the other side of the plate and push down, and we're maybe under 1/1000th off there. Now this is where I have to put this down for a second because it's a two-handed job here. You can watch me sweat the technique here. All right, so I have to pull that out to be nice. Do a 180. All right, and pull this up again. All right, so here we are. I've set it up again, and I'm pushing down. This one doesn't have as much thing. It's about 1/1000th there. And we go to the other side. And we're 1/1000th there. So I guess overall on the surface, we're within 1/1000th. I think that's pretty cool. I did calibrate this previously, so I put a 2/1000th spacer onto each end here and one on the other side, I believe. I can't remember which one offhand, but there are some shims underneath these clamp bolt areas to correct some very slight differences. So now I've got a calibrated subassembly. This is flat, or this sits level to the surface beneath it, I should say. It's fairly flat, and all I have to do now is make sure that the other ones are both parallel to the surface and at the same height. So that's what I'll be doing next, and hopefully this kind of shows you how simple that is. Although I didn't go through it, all I did is loosen these up and slide a little piece of shim material. It's actually probably twice or 3 times bigger than this little piece here under each side like that. So there you go. This is a calibrated component. It's very cool. Thank you.